Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and staying safe at home. So, what is our topic today? Can anybody guess? Yes, we are going to learn about chapter number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So, let us watch the video. Good morning, students. So now this is the chapter number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Let us read about the chapter. This lesson throws light upon a tragic incident that had never happened before. It was when an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, the magic woman, was part of the international crew aboard in the US space shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. The main character of the story is Kalpana Chawla. Look at her smiling face as if she has achieved a bigger goal of her life. What happened, students? Now let us read this report. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing stop on Saturday, 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. As it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 20 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour. When ground control lost contact with the shuttle, Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days and the 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. It was assumed that this shuttle can go for 100 flights, but it got crashed. As a child, Kalpana never dreamt of space travel. It was not sufficient for her to graduate from an engineering college. After graduating as an aeronautical engineer from Punjab Engineering College, she went for a master's degree to the United States, in spite of her father's opposition. Later, she did her PhD in the subject. She had the pride of being the first Indian-born American woman astronaut to blast off from Florida and be a part of the successful space mission. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen. She married a flight instructor, Jean Pierre Harrison. Apart from being an astronaut, she was also trained to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single scapulars, and gliders. She was a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, she decided to apply to NASA's Space Shuttle program and was selected as an astronaut. She was an extraordinary woman who thought differently and was an enthusiastic and optimistic. Her first space mission was 16 days long. Yes, student, you heard it right. It was 16 days long. The mission took 16 days. During this time, she traveled 10.45 billion kilometers in 252 orbits. The crew had 7 members and they conducted 80 experiments. They also checked if food could be grown in space, how stronger metals and faster computer chips could be created. The news of Columbia disaster made everyone in grief-stricken. A shock wave was spread everywhere. A journalist called her a heroine. She had enormous potential and wide information, encyclopedic knowledge of each subject. Yes, student, of each subject, everything she knows. Her achievements were actually marvelous. She created history and became an inspiration for everyone. Her life is a testimony that dreams can get success. The only thing we need to make them a reality is courage and vision. So moving to the hard works, broke apart is crashed on board or in aircraft. Allowed means permitted. Astronaut, a person trained to serve as a crew member of a spacecraft. Blast off, take off from a launching site. Besides means apart from. Gliders, fixed wing aircraft. Pursuing, following or continuing. Pollinating, the process of taking pollen from one place to another for fertilization. Disaster, a sudden accident or natural calamity that causes damage or loss of life. Disbelief, lack of belief. Glued, sticked. Enormous, huge. Encyclopedic, comprehensive, complete. Astrophysics, branch of astronomy that studies physical nature of celestial body, stars, etc. Aeronautical, science of building aircrafts. Awe-inspiring, it means stunning, astonishing, amazing and remarkable. Aboard, on an aircraft or spacecraft. Let us see some of the question answer from within the chapter. A space shuttle is a spacecraft. What is a space shuttle, class? A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travels. It is not like a rocket. For example, between Earth and a space station. It travels between Earth and a space station. Now in question number 2, what you have to do, use a dictionary to do the task below. Find the meaning of the given words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. Naturalized US citizen. What is the answer for this? The process to make someone a citizen of a country they were not born in. That is naturalized US citizen. Space is a leading C. Frontiers of space, leading people. B. You have to do on your own space. The word space, B. You have to find it and fill it up. Aboard, I have mentioned before. Lift off. How is it different from take off? Lift off means when an aircraft or spacecraft takes off. Question number 3. Liftoff is a point of launching of an air or spacecraft vertically, whereas takeoff is the phase of flight where aerospace vehicle goes from the ground horizontally to fly in the air. So this is the difference between liftoff and takeoff. Second, notice the spelling of these words in the lesson. Airplane, program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? Airplane, aeroplane. Program, program. Refer to Diksha app and extra marks and watch this video for your reference. Thank you for watching, students.